Okay, welcome to Polymer JAM 2 in 1 day. Yay! This is my daughter Pixie. Hi. And we're going to integrate the thing which I just made, the avatar maker, this element, into my project, which shows a big long list of names. So here goes. So first of all, we go into my project directory and list. So here I have my bow file. So I'm pointing to on the screen, of course you can't see. But Vim bower JSON, and I'm going to add a dependency, which is here somewhere. Dependencies here there. So let's have another line. Okay. So we'll copy that line. So this is what brings in the dependencies, basically. Like my template and paper material, so I can have things that look like paper, and the Firebase UI that lets you log into the website. I'll show you. I haven't even shown you it yet. I should show you. So if I log out, so then I can sign in here with my thing. Which this element here is what gives us the avatar and the username. Right? So hopefully that looks the same. Yep, and there's my avatar. But if you haven't got an avatar in your list of contacts, then that's bad. So I've just given it a purple blob for now. But I'm going to replace that in a second with my new element, which is called text avatar. Let's copy that. So I copy that line and change in quotes for that. Oh yeah, we should definitely watch Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them as soon as possible. It's in the bars now. Let's go. Okay. So now I've added that element to my project. I can run bower update, and it should pull in that from GitHub, which is where I published it earlier. So there's my code from my avatar maker, which is one line of code, which is maybe not the best way of doing it. And that zero thing at the end there, name.0, just means just give me the first character because it's an array. And there's the thing that returns black or white. Anyway, so that's published on GitHub, and that should be now pulled in to there, except it's not. Please, Jess, not found. Try it again just in case. Might be a problem in the thing which I just saved. So that pulls in the please.js and doesn't specify what version. So of course please.js isn't pulled in. So let's find please.js. This is the version I wanted. I'm already in edit mode. There we go. Oh no, actually, that dependency is me. Okay, so that might have fixed it. Let's try it. And it seems like a lot just to put in a little bit of code, but this means that other people will be able to replicate this on their computers and then they use it. So you've not seen Fantasties and where to find them yet?
Yeah.
Is it out in cinemas now?
I think it is, yeah. I've seen a lot of posters for it.
Cool.
And I think I might have seen a picture when we went up past the cinema today. But I'm not sure.
Okay. So now we've got everything installed, we just need to import it into the project. So Vim, which is my favorite text editor. So this pulls in all of the things that we need, one of which is the long text, long list. The long list is the one that actually uses this element. So if I yank that line and go to that file and then paste it in up top here, Pete. Excuse all the dinging. And now I want it to pull in my text avatar instead of the device icons. So autocomplete on Vim is Control X F, and it says no match found. It's because it's looking everywhere. So just to look at that directory. So there's please Jess. It's not what I want. What I want is text avatar. And it is. So that pulls in now. That's the thing which we've definitely installed because it found it in the directory structure. And I'm going to also make that an absolute link again. Which means when you're on the website, it's always / So if this gets moved around, it will still work. And there's my old purple one. You see there's purple. Grab that bit of text. Sorry, honey, I know it's a bit boring.
No, it's fine.
It's because you're yawning, I think.
No, I was tired.
So all the karate-ness. Not karate. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So now I'm changing the HTML. So it's not a div anymore, it's a text avatar. That's if it doesn't have a photo. So I know all this styling stuff is being handled by the text avatar, so I don't need to include that anymore. But obviously it's got to generate it from the name. Which is actually used by something else, which is slightly annoying. Because elements can have names as well, but I don't think it will interfere. And email. Which is, if they've got an email, even, they might not. Okay, so there's my. So now I've got the name and email. Now everyone should have nicely coloured icons. Let's see. Not nicely coloured? Read. Not nicely coloured.
Yeah.
Yay! Why is it not working? Right, let's try reloading. If I go to the network tab of there, I can normally disable the cache. Yep, and then drop up. Yay! It's changed.
Yep, they're all white.
They're all white. This is true. So, what have we got here? Icon. Well, at least it's changed. There we go. Text avatar. Let's have a look at my demo and see whether that works. Oh, let's make sure the import worked. Let's see. Console, any errors? Not really. So this is the source code. That is loading the element by itself, and the demo DMO worked there.
Yeah.
So yeah, yay! So let's inspect that. Resources, text avatar, demo. It's got a name and an email and text avatar. I thought that's what I did, but maybe I didn't. Let's go back to where I last was. Yeah. Maybe if there isn't an email address, it's just giving me a random. It's not generating it because it's coming through as null. So I'm just going to pass in nothing as the email address and see if that fixes it. Change inner approach to nothing. Right. That one still works. That's source code. That's source code. That's source code. Back to. Right, contacts. Yay, colours.
Yeah.
And they have white bits and black bits in the appropriate places.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. But if they did have an email address, I'd kind of like that to be taken into account, but it's not totally necessary. It's me. I've got a nice green. I'm happy with that. Mm-hmm. You see, the colours are quite pleasing, aren't they? They're not hideous colours.
Mm.
That's because I used the Please.js library to make them. So, like I've shown you before, if it existed.
So there'll be no one with that kind of yellowy green.
There might be, but it just means that it makes everyone a little bit more distinct. So it's giving me lots of random colours based on gold. Greys. Random greys, because that's what you always need, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And you can base them on
Cyan. Hey, look at the colour names. Orange, red, gold, lawn green, Rebecca purple, cyan.
Rebecca purple. I wonder why Rebecca purple. Anyway, I'm going to call that a wrap. That's great. It's working. And it's integrated. So thanks for watching Polymer JAM. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say goodbye, Pixie.
Bye.
Thank you for not saying goodbye.